Australia beat India in the World Test Championship final to effectively become the world champions of Test cricket again. And it struck me that within about a 30-year span, Australia has come full circle from rising to become the undisputed champions of Test cricket. They lost that supremacy to India and England and even New Zealand. But the Aussies have now clawed their way back to the top and are kings of Test cricket again. By contrast, the West Indies, who the Australians dethroned almost 30 years ago, all know West Indies still down at the bottom of the circle with no signs that the circle is spinning. So Australia rise to the top, them dip and go down back and them rise again. From West Indies dip, them can't come up back. Of course, one of the problems is that the Australians, they never dropped right down to the bottom of the barrel. They maintained a certain level of competitiveness. With West Indies, them dropped down at ground zero. Yes, and they became rubbish. And I'll know. Them are rubbish. We are telling you, you can see them.